Hey guys, Marcus Adkins with Orlando Microgreens, and today we're going to step-by-step guide to growing broccoli microgreen. Okay, so today we're growing broccoli. Now we did get our broccoli seeds, they're the Waltham 29. Now we did get those from True Leaf. We're going to use about 15 grams and we're going to use the 10 by 10s. Now these are 10 by 10s that we got from True Leaf. I do enjoy the little 10 by 10s. They're a lot easier to work with. You can turn them around and put the soil in, or the medium you're using. It's easy to spread some of the seeds. So let's get started with this. Now you're going to want to fill that up to nearly halfway. So we use coco coir. Make sure you break up those little clumps. That nice and even. I like to kind of push them over to the corners first. The corners seem to get neglected in the process, so kind of start there. And I start just kind of fluffing the top. I don't want to compact anything yet. Everything nice and smooth and fluffy. I do like to go just a little bit above that line. So if that line's covered, I'm pretty good, and that's a little more than an inch of medium. So in a 10 by 10, I'm going to use about 15 grams of seeds. Go ahead and lay those out. Now if you have not tried broccoli microgreens, I highly recommend them. They're definitely one of my favorites. They've got a great taste to them. They taste exactly like broccoli. They have some of the highest nutrients of any of the microgreens. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the link, or maybe I'll put it, I don't know, right here. So there's what your broccoli seeds look like. Now we're going to go ahead and spread these out, keep them nice and even. See, there I go with that tray. It's just nice to be able to just turn it like that. Alright, so then now that I have them nice spread out, nice and even, we'll go ahead and water them in. Now you're going to want to get them nice and wet. You definitely want to get that nice and drenched. My coco coir is really dry right now, so I just want to make sure it has a really good drink. I'll put our third tray on top. And we're going to weight that down with 2 bricks. And we'll check on it a couple days here. We'll show you what it looks like. Now, if you do like our content and the videos we're making, please don't forget to smash that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Definitely subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any more content. Have a beautiful day, guys. We'll see you in a couple days. So it is day 2 of our broccoli grow. These guys are looking great. So they're all got their radicals all pushed down. They're starting to show their cotyledons. So I'm just going to put it back on there with no weight, and we'll see how they look tomorrow. So it's day 4 of our broccoli grow. Okay, they look really good. Got some roots coming down through the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and give it a half a cup of water. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the light. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. So it's day 5 of our broccoli grow. Oh, that greened up really nice in one day. It looks really good. Make sure you push out and get thick to the sides. Looks really nice. Give it a little bit of water. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put that on the shelf. So it is day 6 of our broccoli grow. Look down in there and everything is fantastic looking. Oh, they feel so good. I love that color, they're so nice. These guys are just starting to show a little bit of true leaf. We'll see you tomorrow. So it is day 7 of our broccoli grow. Oh, these guys are doing so good. I'm not gonna start harvesting these until I see true leaf. But you can see right now, everything's doing so well. Very solid growth throughout the whole tray. I'm gonna give these guys about 3/4 to a cup of water in that 10 by 10. We'll see how they look in a couple days. Alright guys, so it is day 14 of our broccoli grow and it is harvest day. So let's see what we got. Everything looks good. We got a little bit of true leaf here and there on some of them, sprouting up pretty quick, but everything looks really good. So let's see what we have for weight. So you just want to kind of grab the side here and get down in there as close as you can to the medium. Just kind of roll it back, get a few slices off there. Trying to get as close to 2.5, 3 inches as I can. I don't know if the color is showing, but they've got these beautiful little bit of light purple in some spots. Some of the stems have the really nice light purple. Oh, it smells so good. We have 133 grams. Oh, that stuff looks so good. That is going to be quite a salad. We got a little bit of arugula and we have some radish. That might even make it on a salmon video we're going to do in the Wekiva River. We'll see. I'm looking down in here and everything looks really healthy. Let's see what this looks like on the bottom. Look at that. Boy, I don't know if you can see that color. That sure is cool. It's like a blue, white. But everything looks phenomenal all the way through. Okay, so broccoli microgreens are very popular because of their nutritional benefits, antioxidants, proteins, all the nutrients you need to maintain a healthy immune system. So if you're enjoying our video, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. And if you've ever grown broccoli before, leave a comment. Tell us how your broccoli's come along. And we'll see you guys on the next grow. Thanks for joining us.